Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have just done many of the things using React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all stuff which we are doing and which we will be doing in future as well. So today also we are doing an amazing video using React 18 and I hope you will be enjoying today's video because in today's video I will be telling you how to just build an amazing tag using React 18 and we will be also building a small project in this video. So I'll be telling you what the project will be and when we will be moving on to our practical work. So I'll be telling you how to just make this project from start and what will be things we will be including in this. We will be including some of the previous videos tag which we have used because in this video I will be telling you some of the different things using React 18 and I hope you'll be enjoying that. So if you enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel and hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future as well which should be giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with today's video and seeing how to build this amazing project of React 18 and what are the things included in this from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using React 18. So today we are just building the project of constructor and I'll be telling you what are constructors in React 18 and how to use constructors. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what are constructors in React 18 and how to use it. So for using constructors, here you have to move to your VS Code text editor. So you can see here I've opened and we are just using this app.js file in app1 folder to just use to build our projects here. So these are the projects we are getting. Then I will be opening it in my Microsoft Edge browser we are getting. So I will be doing it side by side because coding side should be at the left and at the right we will be getting interface side. So here this was the previous video in which we have learned about basic form validation, but in this video I will be telling you about what is constructor. So here I'll be raising all this stuff and I'll be telling you what are the constructors in React 18. So constructors are basically the tags which you copied from the Google or the tags which you copied for the link of any of the website. Like if I move here on the Google and after moving to Google, if I just see that we are getting a Google URL, you can see at the top here. So if I press Ctrl A to select this whole URL and if I press Ctrl C to copy this URL, and if you want to paste this URL, you have to move here in the div class name app. Then you have to now write a command here which should be like a tag. After writing a tag, I will be writing href in which you have to paste the link, and when you paste this link you have to close this tag. Then in this tag I will be writing here Google. So user can define this is the constructor of Google which we have built. So you can see now we are getting Google because we have just pasted the link of Google here. You can write any other name as well here, but I've written Google so we can just remember that we in this tag we have just pasted the link of Google. So this is the constructor basically, and like this constructor works. If I press this Google here, so you can see it will be redirecting me to the Google here because we have just written the constructor. You can see one thing, when I'm pressing this, it is redirecting me on the same page to Google. And if you want that, it should be opening a different page to redirect it me to the Google. If you want to do that thing, so you can also do that. So for doing that, you have to move here in this tag, right here, target is equals to, then you have to write here underscore blank. Just you have to do this thing, save. Now if I press this, it will be taking me on the second page to the Google. You can see now it is taking me on the second page and then it is redirecting me to the Google. And I think that you should also use this thing because this thing will be giving you help. And if you just press Google directly from this page, so it will be redirecting you to the Google. But if you want to move back to your page, so you have to use arrows. So I think that you can use target underscore blank tag to make your link redirected to the second page. You can see when I will be pressing, it will be redirecting me to the second page like this. So here you can use different constructors here. Like I've used the Google constructor. You can use Bootstrap constructor, Font Awesome constructor, YouTube constructor. You can use different constructors here. Like if I move down here and if I write here a tag again, then in href means in the link I will be pasting the link here. So for pasting the link, you can use different websites. Like here if I write Wikipedia, you all know that Wikipedia is really famous article website. So here you can paste the URL of Wikipedia as well by moving here, same as Control A, Control C. Then here you have to just do one thing, just paste the link here. Now here you can write any name like this. Since remember to write this colon in the start and in the end as well, so it will be not coming any of the problem. Now here you can write this target blank. It's your choice. If you want to write, you can write. If you want that, you should be redirecting from the same page, so you can just not write that. but I will be now writing the name here of my link. So my link name should be Wikipedia because it is the Wikipedia article website link. You can also write any other name as well if you want to put, but I have written Wikipedia so user can remember this is the Wikipedia article website link which we have written. So say I will be saving it. Now we are getting Wikipedia. Just you can press BR tag to make it on the second line here because it is too much mixed here. You can see. So I will be moving down, and then after moving down, paste it like this BR tag. So here I will be now pasting this BR tag. Then here as well you have to do save. You can see now this Wikipedia is down here. So now we are getting it on the second line, and when I'm pressing this, you can see it is redirecting me on the same page to the Wikipedia because we have not used the target underscore blank tag. If I use here target is equals to, then I will be writing here underscore blank. So it will be redirecting me to the second page, and then it will be redirecting me to the Wikipedia from the second page. If I press, you can see it is taking me to the second page, then it is redirecting me to Wikipedia. So like this, you can use these all tags here. And in today's video, we have just learned about constructor, and I hope you understand what are constructor basically and how to use it in React 18. So these were the some of the basic things which I want to show you in React 18. In today's video, we have learned about constructor, like how to give the link to the constructor and what are constructor, how to use it, and what are the work of constructor in React 18. So like this, you can use these constructors here. You can also use it in many other fields, like if you want to link buttons from your constructors, means if you want to link button from any page, and when you press that button, so you will be redirecting to that page. You can also do that things using constructors. So these are the basic constructors using React 18 which I have told you, and moving forward I'll be telling you the advanced level constructors as well, which should be giving you help when you are building any big projects like websites, portfolios, clones, or any other thing. So just like that, you can use these all constructors. So just if you have understand this video and enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future coming up videos. And also share this video as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.